Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Executive Secretary, UN, ESCAP, Excellencies, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am delighted to join the 77th annual session of the Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific. The COVID-19 pandemic has devastated the health systems and economies across the globe. Nearly 2.95 million people have died and hundreds more are dying every day of the deadly disease. The pandemic has made many people poorer while many others are sliding back to poverty. In Bangladesh, we have announced a stimulus package worth about $14.6 billion, around 4.44% of our GDP, for widening social protection, retaining jobs and bolstering the economy. Excellencies, our latest 5-year plan included strategies for recovery from COVID-19 and preparing Bangladesh for smooth and sustainable LDC graduation, achieving SDGs and setting a trajectory towards a prosperous country by 2041. We have continued to move forward with environmental management. Adaptation efforts to climate change have been supported by programs funded through the Bangladesh Climate Change Trust Fund. We see regional cooperation as the most viable option for shared prosperity. We are engaged in SAARC, BIMSTEC, BBIN, BCIMEC and trilateral highway initiatives. The South-South Network for Pacific Service Innovation helps Bangladesh through partnership with other countries. Bangladesh is an ardent supporter of increased connectivity and ESCAP's initiative of the Asian Highway and Trans-Asian Railway. Bangladesh is also actively engaging with the cross-border paperless trade, Asia-Pacific Trade Agreement, PPP networking, renewable energy and other initiatives of UN ESCAP. We are committed to achieving global compact for safe, orderly and regular migration. Excellencies, Bangladesh is hosting over 1.1 million forcefully displaced Rohingyas from Myanmar. We urge the international community to remain focused on this issue for a viable solution through sustainable repatriation. Before I conclude, I recommend taking some measures through ESCAP. Number 1, the developed world, development partners and IFIs should come forward in attaining quick recovery from the COVID pandemic. Number 2, to build back better from any crisis, the development approach should be more inclusive, resilient and environment friendly. Number 3, the Asia Pacific region should take efficient policies and strategies for a strengthened and universal public health system. Number 4, we need to establish seamless connectivity in the areas of trade, transport, energy and ICT, science and technology. I thank you all again.